How to use Threads app from Instagram. Threads is a new app from the Instagram team. Threads is a text-based app for sharing updates and joining public conversations with people who share your interests. You can log in with your Instagram account and posts can be up to 500 characters long and include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. You can also share your Threads posts to your Instagram story or any other platform you choose. Threads is designed with privacy, speed, and your close connections in mind. You can control who can reach you on Threads, and you can customize the experience around the people who matter most. You can download Threads for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Learn more. 1. Instagram announces new text app Instagram blog. https://about.instagram.com/blog/announcements/threads-instagram-text. Feature. 2. Introducing Threads for you and your close friends, Instagram. https://about.instagram.com/blog/announcements/introducing-threads-app.